it's Lollipop here. Welcome back to my channel. We're here, so make sure to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and now let's actually get started. So today I'm going to be doing Big Fidget Trading Part 4 with
donuts.
And it's going to be quite different to what it was before because we have a mix of Donuts Fidgets and my fidget. Obviously, this is Donuts Fidget. This is Donuts Fidget, like, this is Donuts Fidget, but this is my fidget. You know, it's a mix.
And this is Lollipop's fidget, like, yes.
Yeah, I think I have actually a little bit more fidgets than it.
Maybe, but maybe I have.
Not in my pile right now, obviously, because I just traded.
Alright, let's go.
Yeah. Alright then, so it's your turn to offer first now, isn't it?
Yeah.
What are you going to offer? What are you going to offer?
Alright, this dress ball.
Mhm.
And then I'll offer this pea bud.
Okay.
And it she pops as well. Don't worry, it pops.
So this.
Slinky.
Yeah.
Okay, it's a deal.
Okay, it's my turn now.
Well, really still.
Right then, so I'm next going to offer her.
Ooh, this.
The camera couldn't focus. I don't have many fidgets right now, so I want loads of common ones for these. Because that's 2 legendaries, 1 uncommon, and 1 ultra rare, and 1 common. So offer me loads of common things. Loads of common things like this, these.
I don't want a common and uncommon.
There you go. Is that fair? I think you should add still.
Yeah, that's what I was going to say. Yeah. Done. Yeah.
I think this is a good trade.
Yeah.
I got a simple dimple out of her.
And I got the rare little cookie. Right,
Sit down.
let's get going, Lollipop, then.
Okay. So.
Are you going to trade that?
No.
Can we just put it in front of the trading thing?
No, but that's not in the trading thing though. The trading thing's like right over there.
Yeah.
But is it my turn to offer first?
Yeah.
No.
Wait,
No, it's yours.
I've got more than you and I. Look.
Yeah, so can you please offer something like loads of stuff so then I can offer you something like legendary.
This, and this, and this.
Okay.
And probably this.
Okay, this Chichibu. It's an apple. This Crazy Cube. This.
Monkey Doodle.
This. And since you're giving me a marble mesh, I'll give you this marble mesh. Is it a deal? Yes.
Alright. At least I got a little bit more from this. Still got a lot.
Yes, at least I got some. Hey, it's mine. You were gonna steal it. Right then.
Shishibu.
Right then, so what's you gonna offer? Donuts?
You will offer.
What are you gonna offer, donuts?
Since I've had this puppet for a while, I'll actually do this puppet.
Do you want to add some more things? Because I have this.
Okay. No, it's going less. Oh my god, no, I can't. Okay, I'll do it.
Will you accept? Yes.
You got definitely more than me.
Oh.
Grandpa's a shield.
I know, but you tried to steal it from me.
At least I got my rainbow poppet, but I've already got one of these.
No, look how much fidgets I have. Look how she has.
Oh my god, I need to make sure I add more. Alright, let's go. Ah!
Okay, alright, it's my turn to offer first, isn't it?
Yeah.
So, I'll offer you loads of common things. Wait, no, I'll go to Gary. Offer you loads of common things. I'll offer you loads of common things because you need more fidgets.
Can you add more? 1, 2, 3, 2 things, 3 things. Okay, the deal. Wait. Oh my god, I was actually next.
Come on!
Alright. Okay. This, and these two ones.
Obviously, wait. Can I choose some fidgets out of your pile that I want? Yeah, but I'm not going to take the poppet, don't worry.
Okay.
So, I want to look right now next to donut. I want this. I want this. I want this. I'm offering you a marble mesh. This. Ooh. Wait. Is that a deal?
Okay, that's a deal.
So it's like right next to donut, but who cares?
You got like a ton of more than me. Like a ton more than me. A ton more than me. A ton more than me.
Come on, donut, you need to focus.
Alright. You're good.
Okay, I'll offer you, right, I want anything for that rainbow poppet. So I'm going to add a lot of stuff, so then you offer me the rainbow poppet and you'll have a ton of fidgets, and then I'll be really poor, but still have a rainbow poppet. Is that a deal? Is that what you're going to do? So, I'll offer you this, this for your rainbow poppet. Please.
Wait, you're not done. I'm not done just yet.
Yep.
A deal.
No, I'm poor, but you're rich. But I still have a rainbow puppet.
But I've got 2 puppets, and you have 1.
Yeah.
Go to your side, missus.
No, I'm staying here.
Okay.
It's colder over here.
Over here.
Yeah.
Why do you want to be cold? I'm freezing.
I just like it being cold. Alright, then we need to focus, guys.
Yeah, focus. Focus, Priya.
Alright, then. Why'd you call yourself Priya?
My friend, I don't know why I keep on calling her.
Anyways, so it's your turn to offer first. Your turn to offer first, don't it? You'll have a massive pile.
Alright. I'm only going to trade you a couple of things, if you don't mind, because I actually want a lot of things. This, and this just
Okay. I'll offer her this bead bag. Is that a deal?
Okay, that's a deal.
So So guys, that's all for today's video. If you liked it, make sure to smash that like button. I'll see you next time. Bye guys.